Hello and welcome to Join Health. Today in this video, we're gonna talk about the 8 home remedies to treat a cough in toddlers at home. So let's get started. Number 1. Use saline nasal drops. You can buy these over-the-counter nasal drops at a pharmacy. Used with a nasal syringe or nose blowing, saline drops can soften mucus to help remove it. Number 2. Offer fluids. Staying hydrated is especially important when your child is sick. Water helps the body fight illness and keeps airways moist and strong. Number 3. Offer honey. Honey is a natural sweetener that can help soothe a sore throat. Honey also has antibacterial properties and may help fight infection. Number 4. Elevate your child's head when sleeping. Babies under 1.5 years old should not sleep with any pillows. Number 5. Add moisture with a humidifier. Adding moisture to the hair helps keep your child's airways from drying out and loosens mucus. This may ease coughing and congestion. Number 6. Take a walk in a cold air. If it's cold outside, you can try this fog remedy that uses the power of fresh air and exercise to relieve cough symptoms. Number 7. Apply vapor rub. It's controversial whether vapor rubs that contain camphor or menthol are beneficial. So ask your pediatrician before using any vapor rub. Number 8. Use essential oils. These herbal products are gaining in popularity and some may be effective at easing a cough or muscle aches when applied on the skin or diffused into the hair. If you like the video, please like my video.